Hello my pretties, I wanted to share with you a pretty awesome find I just found today at a grocery store here in Kenosha where I live, Festival. I'm sure this is available at others too. This has my stamp of approval. It is, I'll show you the first one I found. Gold thread. I saw 3 different varieties. I bought 2 of them. One of them is obviously turmeric radiance and the other is green minerals. And here is why they have my personal stamp of approval. Most drinks that are labeled as healthy have got sugar in it. They've got, I don't know, maybe sodium, but it's typically sugar, artificial ingredients, synthetic stuff. Maybe it's not raw. This is raw. This is just plant-based whole food ingredients. There's no sugar added to it. I'll read to you the ingredients in the turmeric one. Filtered water, lime, turmeric, proprietary herb blend of ginger, orange peel, lemongrass, lemon, verbena, cinnamon, cardamom, coriander, turmeric chips, turmeric powder, vanilla bean, cloves, monk fruit extract, and naturally occurring erythritol. So erythritol is going to be a sweetener, but it's a sweetener that doesn't spike blood sugar. It's actually very good for you. It helps to actually nourish the pancreas. So this is just plant-based whole food ingredients, no sugar added to mess it up, and it's raw. So all the enzymes will be there too. So the green mineral one, it's the same thing, just different ingredients, but the concept is the same. Plant-based whole food ingredients, no sugar. Sugar is an isolate. So this one is organic filtered water, lemon, green mineral proprietary blend of nettle, oats, alfalfa, rose hips, lemongrass, linden, raspberry leaf, red clover, horsetail, monk fruit extract, naturally occurring erythritol, and chlorophyll. So this one, the natural sweeteners are mostly going to be monk fruit extract, which comes from Lu and Gao, and what was the other one I saw? Naturally occurring erythritol. So both monk fruit and erythritol, they don't spike blood sugar. They're very good for you. It's a plant-based whole food source. And so there you have this one. The green one also has the addition of chlorophyll. A lot of green drinks don't have chlorophyll in it. They might have ingredients that contain trace amounts of chlorophyll, but this just has straight up chlorophyll. Granted, it's the last listed ingredient, so it's not going to be much, but still, that's amazing. Chlorophyll is what makes photosynthesis possible. It oxygenates the blood, restores pH balance, and makes it nearly impossible for disease to live in a body that's balanced properly, right? So, stamp of approval, try these out. I found these at just shy of $3 a bottle, so it's more than the other drinks for obvious reasons, and you're either going to pay the farmers or the hospitals, and every dollar that you spend on whatever, that's you telling industry, give me more of that. So if you're going to buy stuff that comes from nutrient deficient toxic farmers, you're going to say, give me more nutrient deficient toxic farmers and give me more sickness and disease. And let's make the elitists in corporate America, the ones I always badmouth and say I hate so much because they're so corrupt and always getting rich off the poor and this and that, well, that makes them even more rich off of more poor people. So don't do that. Spend money on farmers that produce this kind of stuff, because then you're saying, give me more organic goodness, wholesome farmers, and give me less sickness and less disease, and give me more morality and more economic well-being and more health. Everything relates to everything. All right, so remember that brand, Gold Thread. The other one was a hibiscus one or something like that. I don't remember. And they might have more than the 3. So feel free to share this video. Comment below if you find this and where you found it. I don't know how many grocery stores carry it, but I'd sure love to find out more other than just Festival here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. All right, everybody. My website, tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tombirkenmeyer.com. I share stuff like this regularly. And subscribe to my YouTube. I got monetized on YouTube, and I do all this stuff for free, so just simply subscribing and commenting on the YouTube side of things, pays me back enough, because it'll tell YouTube to show this to more people, and ad revenue comes in, and it's an awesome thing to be able to do this for free with your support. Thank you very much. Bye for now.